Hi everyone, I hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to talk about the qualities that build giants, and one of them is patience. Tony Robbins have this quote saying that people are rewarded in public for what they've been practicing for years in private. I found that very interesting because it is really true. In the media, you're gonna see, oh, this person had an overnight success, but actually they've been working on their craft for 20 years, 15 years, 10 years. But it seems like they just came out of somewhere and then they are successful. But that's not the case. Success is not an accident. It's usually the result of hard work, patience, perseverance, courage, optimism, faith, and many other things. But for me, these are six of the main qualities you need to have to be successful. And we shouldn't forget that success depends on the person. So for one person, being successful means you have to have a building of 20 levels or whatever with luxury cars. For someone else, it could be to be the best mom in the earth and be present for your children and for your husband and everything. And we really need to pay attention to what we see around us in social medias. Some people will sell you that success come easily like that. And even in my case, I remember before, when I was younger, I thought that success was for a certain type of people. You were born lucky, you were born in the right family, you had a calling, and this only you could do that. We have this, like, many are called but few are chosen. And yeah, many times I thought that we just had a little selection of people who had something to do on the planet, and people who would be successful, while the rest of the people would just be followers and admiring those people, and that's it. But with my research on success, I discovered that many of the successful people are actually normal people who just worked hard and been patient and persisted, and they had the courage, they had faith, they were optimistic about the work they were doing, they were passionate about it. So if somebody comes and tell you, you're not going to be successful because where you are now is where you will be in 20 years, that's not true. You can change your life right now, at this second, just by making the right decision. It's all about decision. Just decide that I'm gonna change my life, I'm gonna do this different, and I have my goals, and if I implement this plan, I should be here in 5 years or in 10 years or something. Even when you have your goals, things not going to happen the way you have envisioned them all the time, but at least you have a path and you know where you're going. And many people, even in this situation, when they had the goals, they ended up somewhere that was a lot better than what they could have imagined in their lives. So yeah, have your goals and just do the work. And it's not about luck. It's not about I am not from the right family, I don't have the right name, I don't have what it takes. All these people you see on stage, singers, great speakers, great dancers, successful entrepreneurs, they started at square one. They knew nothing for most of them, and they have learned along the way. And because they didn't quit and they adapted to what came up, and they changed their strategies, and they stayed positive even when they had failures, they are here where they are. So if you don't give up, if you do what it takes to succeed, you're gonna be in a great spot. But don't look at these successful people saying, oh, I don't have what it takes. That's what I used to think. I'm not saying that I am in a great place today. I like my life, but I can be somewhere else. And because I believe it's possible, that's why I'm happy about that. It wasn't the case before. We need to remember that those values are the recipe for success. Success is not luck. Success is not coming your ways while you're waiting in your living room reading a book. No. You have to go out there. You have to know where you want to go. You have to know what you want to accomplish, and you need to know why you want to accomplish it. Because if you want to be a successful entrepreneur and your why is just, I want to make a lot of money, but usually entrepreneurs are here to solve a problem, to help people. So if you just go for the money, your why is not enough. You have to have something deeper than just money. It really is important. So to recap all this, I would say that yes, success doesn't come easily. You have to work on it. You have to apply the mindset. You have to apply the qualities that are necessary to be successful, like having patience, being optimism, having faith, working, and to have the courage to continue despite what all the people around are going to say. You need to stay on your track. You need to put blinders on, because you can be distracted. Oh, this person does that. Okay, let me go do this. No, you have to have your vision. You have to have your plan. You have to know your why. You need to know that it's possible. It is possible. So don't give up. So if you have question about the subject, please leave me comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share with people if you find it useful. And in the meantime, I will tell you, I'll see you the next time. Bye.